Gym owners aim to bring NFT membership to Wellness Club. This is a great idea as we're starting to slowly see adoption with crypto and now with NFTs. And let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, while many non-fungible tokens, which is NFTs, projects continue to suffer losses during the bear market, a number of organizations have begun using NFT to solve real-world problems, which I've always thought NFTs needs more utility. Now, in particular, NFTs for subscription membership-based models or loyalty program are gaining action. The point was highlighted in the Forrester 2023 NFT and Metaverse Prediction Report, which notes brands will pivot from cool NFT towards loyalty. In 2023, which is coming up, brands will shift their focus to NFTs linked to loyalty, brand experience, and deepening customer relationships. This is really good in the future. For an example, I'm gonna go right over here. Starbucks recently announced an NFT loyalty program. Industry experts have also begun explaining why subscription-based services should implement NFTs to improve relationship between brands and consumers. I would love to see NFTs not only in Starbucks and other department stores, maybe the movie theaters, right? Now, NFT membership for Wellness Club, I love this idea. Although the concept of applying NFTs for loyalty programs and membership models is new, mainstream sectors are beginning to understand the potential. The billion-dollar fitness industry, guys, may be the next sector to implement NFT-based membership as a handful of innovative gym owners have begun exploring the model. So, and if I go right down here, this isn't just a membership, okay? A gym membership. NFT holders will get discount on fitness-related services such as supplements, personal training, and equipment, as Global Fit Club has a number of partners lined up to provide this. This is game changer as we move in towards 2023 and NFTs, gym owners beginning to use NFTs as a utility, a subscription-based, a membership, a rewards. I can see and going to gyms and then going to other actually businesses and making them even more of a rewarding experience for the employees and even for the customers. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching the video today. And you have been watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next video.